A state-of-the-art lab in Tempe is digging into plant medicine to help us when we're sick. Lab researchers are even teaming with the ASU researchers to work on different medicines to help fight COVID-19 and more.
Yeah, well, this morning we are getting a behind-the-scenes look at where all the action happens. Team 12's Jen Welter is live this morning from the lab in Tempe. So, Jen, what are some of the latest plant-based studies they're doing?
Yeah, good morning to you guys. So we are inside of one of the labs right here, and this is where a lot of the work happens. Obviously, all of the scientists are at home getting rest, but in just a few hours, it's going to be really busy in here. This is really cool. They use plants basically as nature's pharmacy to help fight a lot of the viruses that we come in contact with yearly. So things like the flu, rhinovirus, Zika, and different kinds of the coronavirus. Now, the Rick Scalzo Institute is unique because it's a multidisciplinary research center all under one roof here. It's taking botanical research to the next level as researchers look at the actions with plants and viruses, cutting down on time. Now, scientists take plant extracts, break them down to individual components, and this lab has the clearance to study illnesses like the flu, MRSA, infectious skin diseases, Zika, and more. And then the Institute teams up with ASU to even study COVID-19 because they have a biosafety level 3 lab clearance there. Now, since collaborating with ASU, 8 medicinal plants have been found with SARS-CoV-2 activity, and 3 patents are in the works right now. The lab says more research is happening to bring the medicine for various illnesses and diseases all to our doorsteps.
So if you've ever wondered or heard about, or a friend had recommended something like elderberry to you, which is very popular right now for immune health, you might wonder whether that's safe to take with cough syrup, or whether it's safe to take for your child, or whether it's even safe to take at all. So the research that we can provide here looks to bring answers to those questions.
Yeah, you know, those are all things that you don't even really think about. You're at the doctor. Hey, you don't need an antibiotic this time. Why don't you go try out some elderberry? Well, things like that, studies like that happen in places like this here in Tempe. So coming up live in about 15 minutes, we're going to introduce you to the director of research here. And he's going to show us how he breaks down the cells and the plants and just really digs into all of it and figure out how everything interacts to help keep us healthy.